GoTranscript Review and Guidelines Explained for Beginners. Hey guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all about GoTranscript. What are the different guidelines on GoTranscript in order to make money? And I'll give you an honest review on GoTranscript and how this platform works. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can open up gotranscript.com and you will land on this website right here. GoTranscript, as a client, it is a platform where you will be able to get your transcriptions. You can get captions for your videos or your blogs, and we have translation available and subtitle services available, and we can get them done in just few dollars. For instance, you just have to pay like $0.84 for the transcription, and then we have captions and translation and subtitles available. And as a transcriber, it is a freelancing platform for you where you can make money by writing captions, by transcribing different types of scripts and different type of text. Then we have translation and subtitles that we can do. So you can either sign up on this platform as a client or as a freelancer. So if you want to make money on GoTranscript, then you can make money by selling these services, or you can become an affiliate. First of all, you will have to actually sign up. So for that, you can sign up with your Google account or you can use your email address. There is a pricing plan available on GoTranscript as well. Let me go over it really quickly. You will have an idea. We have different services and different pricing for different services. So we have 5 days services. It's just going to be $0.84 per minute. And then we have 3 day services, which is going to be $1.03 per minute. And then we have 1 day service and 6 to 12 hour service available. So you can order right here on GoTranscript. Now, as you can see, it's a very easy to use platform and you'll be able to get your work done very easily. It has all of these services available. But what are the different guidelines? Is it true that we can make money with GoTranscript? Well, if I take you to the account, so if I take you to my orders right here, I have signed up for GoTranscript. Here we have our account and it shows us our balance. So you do make money on GoTranscript. There are people making hundreds to thousands of dollars with GoTranscript. So it is a legit platform if you are wondering that. So it is legit, and you will be able to also connect a very easy payment method in the account settings right here. And there is also an affiliate program. So everything on GoTranscript, what I like about GoTranscript is that everything is very clear on the website and even within the platform once you sign up. If you go to the affiliate right here, in affiliate we have clients, stats for clients, stats for workers, affiliate links given right here. Like once you sign up, you will be given your affiliate links and you can start making money. So it is a pretty good platform and it is a legit platform if you're looking for an honest review. Of course, it will take you time to get the orders on GoTranscript, and it depends on GoTranscript that if it will give you any orders or not. So when it comes to the guidelines of GoTranscript, how it works is that, so for that, we're going to go to these services and I'm going to open up transcription. So here we have our transcription. You can see it's going to be $0.84 per minute. Guaranteed 99% accuracy because it is a human-based platform and everything is done by 100% by human. There is no AI involved. So you will get your file in 6 hours. If I scroll down, how it works is that you upload a file or an audio file, a web, you can also upload or you can also paste a link right here. And then you have to pay online. You can pay with your credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And then your transcript is actually delivered to you via email. So you will get an email and it is a very trusted platform. You don't need to worry. Once you have paid, you will get your transcripted script in hours and you will get 99% accuracy. When it comes to the transcription, there is a video transcription service and audio transcription service. Both of these work pretty well and you'll be able to get your work done. You can use these platform for the transcription of academic audio and video files. If you have any media, if you to work in medical field, marketing, and more. When it comes to the four-step process guarantees, now there are four steps to it. First, the transcription is done, the submitted file by a freelancer, it's submitted, and then GoTranscript actually reviews your transcription that you have written or the transcription you are going to get, right? And then there is a proofreading involved, and then there is a quality check to meet the 99% accuracy. So this is the four-step process that actually guarantees your maximum accuracy. So as a client, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about the mistakes or about the quality of the content that you will be getting with GoTranscript. And as a freelancer, you will have to keep in mind that your work will go through this four-step process to ensure quality. There is also different multi-language services available. So if you're wondering if you can use GoTranscript if you live in Spain, if you live in India, well, you'll be able to do that. And you can actually get the service of we have translation, and then we also have this translation. So translation is really easy. All you have to do is just translate the text. For example, you are Chinese, you can of course, and you know English, you can just translate the English text into Chinese or Chinese text into English really easily and make money. It is again, the services are available right here. And when it comes to GoTranscript, there are fluent people, native people doing this work. It works. The process is going to be similar. Again, you upload a file, you have to pay online, and then you will get your translation. When it comes to the translation, there are different pricing for that. So for GoTranscript, you are getting 0.06 per word, which is the standard, and it is actually, if we compare it to others, this is actually pretty cheap. And then we have some extra, and the total, like, extra is free, extra words are free, extra editing is free. So this is actually pretty impressive. Like, you can see at the end result, where a lot of other platforms will charge you more, GoTranscript will charge you the same amount that you have for per word. There's no hidden fee, there is no extra charges involved. It's a very easy platform to use and very accurate. It gives you the top quality, it is affordable, and the fast turnout is really good for a company, or if you do script writing, if you want to proofread, if you want to get translation or subtitles of your video file, audio file, then GoTranscript is really good. So these are the basics of GoTranscript. You can see once you sign up for GoTranscript, you can actually go to my orders right here. Let me take you to the account. So within your account, you will get your own dashboard. We have my order, we have loyalty discount, then we have balance, we have account settings, we have notification, and then we have affiliate. So what happens is, you will be, as a freelancer, you can provide these services and make money. It'll show you your balance right here, or you can place a new order by clicking right here. All right, for placing the order, you don't need to find someone to do the job for you. It doesn't work like other freelancing platforms. It's a website, it's a platform for GoTranscript, so they will do it. All I have to do is just upload a file right here or paste right here, and then we have payment, and then we have complete order. So yeah, these are the four types of services available on GoTranscript. We have transcription, caption, translation, and subtitle. All of these will work in the same way. You have to add a file, then you will have to do the payment, and then complete the order. You can see it's pretty easy. As a client, you can sign up and get your work done. As a freelancer, you will be able to complete these orders and make money. When it comes to the affiliate, you can make up to 10% commission with clients, and then we have, for the workers, we have 1% commission. We also have custom affiliate links that will give us 10% of the discount. So this is how GoTranscript works. I wanted to give you an overview, and I wanted to show you the guidelines, how it works, and if it's a legit platform or not. I hope now you have a better idea and you'll be able to make an informed decision. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.